You disagree with your wife about something. Within minutes, you're both hurt, angry, and the distance between you grows. Every disagreement feels like it damages your relationship. If you're afraid to voice your opinion because conflict always ends badly, stay with me. By the end of this video, you'll discover the 4 principles that let you disagree strongly while keeping your connection strong. Here are the 4 principles that let you disagree strongly while keeping your connection strong. Principle 1. Separate the issue from the person. When you disagree with her opinion, make it clear you're challenging the idea, not attacking her character. Don't say you're being unreasonable. Say, I see it differently, but I want to understand your perspective. Principle 2. Validate before you contradict. Before offering your opposing view, acknowledge hers. I can see why you'd think that, especially given what happened last time. This shows you're disagreeing with respect, not dismissal. Once she feels heard, she's far more open to hearing you. Principle 3. Stay curious, not combative. Ask questions instead of making statements. What makes this feel so important to you? Or, help me understand what you're most concerned about. Curiosity keeps you both on the same team, even when you see things differently. Principle 4. Focus on resolution, not victory. The goal isn't to win the argument. It's to find a path forward you both can live with. Say, how can we solve this together? Instead of, here's why I'm right. Here's your actionable insight. Use the phrase, help me understand, when you disagree. This simple statement does 3 things. It pauses your defensive reaction. It invites her to explain deeper. And it frames you as partners solving a problem together instead of opponents in a battle. What destroys relationships during disagreements? Raising your voice to make your point. Using absolutes like, you always or you never. Bringing up past unrelated issues as ammunition. Walking away mid-conversation. Making it about winning instead of understanding. Each of these turns a disagreement into an attack on the relationship itself. The truth is, disagreement isn't the enemy of connection. It's actually necessary for growth. Healthy couples disagree regularly. The difference is, they know how to disagree with love and respect. They separate issues from identity. They validate before contradicting. They stay curious. They focus on solutions. Many men avoid disagreement entirely because they're afraid of conflict. But avoidance creates resentment. Your wife doesn't need you to agree with everything. She needs to know she can disagree with you safely. When you master these 4 principles, you show her that differing opinions don't threaten your bond. Start practicing today. The next time you disagree, pause before responding. Acknowledge her view before sharing yours. Ask questions instead of making statements. Focus on finding a solution together. These principles transform disagreements from relationship damage into opportunities to prove you can handle differences with maturity and love. Comment below and let me know what you are currently struggling with in your communications with your wife. Click the link in the first comment, or check my bio to discover an ebook that can help improve your communication with your wife.